Ebusian for my mouth, Aquaba, Ebra, Ghana, 7 TVGH, Mesrel, like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification also, so that anytime you post a video, bit we Usambekebi. Oh, yes, sister. Ya bibia, ya dipena. Auntie MzBel. Video trendy.
It's a every day people will be
and the reason for which our Auntie MzBel video trending is apparently where Rashi will be to Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Nepano. Ew. And then Auntie MzBel abaye video out of grief. Awesome. Mama ye. And I say, Auntie MzBel, then echo so na. So I buy never power. NDC buy never power. And Auntie MzBel, I can walk right there say, Mama, why be ye? Quen. You see, we don't intend, or I don't intend to do politics with grief. Far from that. Because me, I met here, I say, me brother, our firstborn, our mortuary. August. First week in August, ever seen. And when my brother expired, frankly speaking to you, I first said, Mami, a video, na minka madri. Because I can tell you for free, say one of the reasons why me brother expired is say, na yeniska dialysis 3 times a week. Yenibi. And we could only afford once a week. But now yenim say medical requirement no for or no 3 times a week. But NPP aban ananka or multiswa or dialysis Emma free no. NDC buy no or move between. Until I firsthand felt the impact of that single decision that Mahama I make it say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on the me friend me born idea SMFA the needed respect at the count and to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Abra all cancers are free dialysis no. Only ni bush any be affected. When our Vice President Yemami Jinano Pokwajima Oyari no, they chartered one of the best private jets our market so to take her to UK. Aban no the medical bills for all the months she spent. In fact, according to medical sources, the woman was virtually gone. But the kind of care the man, it brought the woman back to life. Amu ene MzBel. Who boost your need here? Ebia wuni scar. Udu be kwa renti jetu. E di niko kolebu. Na kolebu a ye di niko ye no. You see what happened? When we tell Ghanaians say the choices that we make in terms of who should lead a or mine way no, those choices it affects each and every one. People think say we are being extremely political, we are being inconsiderate, or we are being we just want our party to remain in power forever. But it is far from that. It's not by a particular political party. Me, I'm here. I can tell you for free. Say, out of 8 children, me and me last born pen and me opportunity. I go senior high school and I go university. Straightforward, you don't expect me to go and support another party aside NPP that gave access to about 6 people who me boost them so go senior high school free. And it MzBel. I've seen your video. I feel your pain. But I can tell you, na ade a NPP aban ɛyɛɛyɛ ɛwɔ health sector mu sɛ anka nkurɔfoɔ a wɔyɛ NDC foɔ ɛbaayɛ nanse ya no if they had any reason to continue anka ebia ene se wo nipa yare anya kolebu no de ne beko ebia anka agenda one hospital bia ben bibia wo no because in those hospitals also you will find specialists. MzBel and sorry kusa ate ensu bia be yi next time choose MPP. MzBel.
We cannot blame the nurses and the doctors. Yeah, blame your binu. Fit to be more fancy. There be a meeting of Masum and Pani Colebu and Pani Colebu and to a mampany and back. It's a money now move to say Pani Colebu and Pani Colebu and Pani Colebu. Every day people will be here and Pani Colebu. Nyambomadi otoba. Nyambomadi. Nasuswanga ya watu watabaka. Baby ampa befia mani pata suma ya tuaba. Empa befia ba. Debi ya bibe uwo kolebu. Empa ni wontia. Iti da pain na empa beba kolebu. Da pain na empa beba kolebu. Da pain na empa beba kolebu da pain. Da pain na empa beba kolebu. Da pain. We are now in this canal sa uko kolebu. Ube wo. Because empa ni wo. Nipa no brum pa no so. Nipa no ye brum pa no so. Is he gone? You lock everything. You turn the AC off. The drinking cup, you left it there.
I brought it.
The lime cup.
I'm sorry.
Tell Isabel that when she's ready, she can come in.
I'm not pulling the light, but they are showing it like that. 1,000.
Every day there's no bed in Kolebu. Every day. Me metina life in Sunda. This is a question. I spoke to her yesterday. She was okay. Second, baby, I know. And Pani Kolebu to a woo. And Pani Kolebu. The matter from 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and the part down from. Now a woo. Because and Pani Kolebu. You cannot blame the nurses and the doctors. Because of my stress. The panel draws will see and Pani wa. It's one panel get an emergency crap. They will not even they will not almost shout this as someone out the money in emergency. They will not even receive you as an emergency because of receiving what do coin. A penny ho. It's a man penny our bay and to my buy our ba and Pani Kolebu. Yes, no. Mofam pa kolebu. Oh, what do you be oh, but yeah, so about 46 years I want
Abusian, so I know this useless NDC government unlawfully arrested MPP former CEO for Buffer Stock, Honorable Hanan, Kutuka International Airport. Now the current Deputy Attorney General, Stream Sai, I'm making Facebook post on this arrest. Now in the Facebook post, ni kind. Or creating false impression say Honorable Wahab Ejani Free Ghana. Criminal prosecution na NDC aban edi abembam no Ojani Free home, Ojani Free Ghana. And any first wrong impression or create. Na etosu mienu. O sign so twantro say Omo freezy Honorable Wahab ne account bi ewo eye Republican Bank. Na okọ se opese o withdraw sika ewo bank account no Omo freezy ni nyina emu na odi Ejani Free Ghana. Now you see Honorable Godfrey Damia, or your former Attorney General, are currently on a lawyer for Honorable Wahab Hanan, are responding to these wild allegations named unlawful arrest arrest ne client na me no ba be ko nsem no mu no ahunu agene mbone a ewo NDC fo yitrim no ahunu how ankrofo yi abuse state power how omu tetia enkrofo fa ahodie so innocent people enkrofo a omu gina court embua omofo so that you will see enkrofo ko a yede oman Ghana ahye omonsa ene awidi sam a omudi enti me share video no be like na wo share na afoforo nso enya bia hwe video ne menkosi neti asem na America ne ye very important enti yen konsem ni mu yen sha asem free first wrong impression stream sai deputy attorney general equity or Facebook say Honorable Wahab was trying to run away from the jurisdiction. Now share document here that's through here a ruling from a court of competent jurisdiction from a high court. Now dated 29th June 2026 in TNN and say now that ruling no is on a motion Honorable Godfrey Dame file asking permission from the court to allow Honorable Hanan to travel out of Ghana to UK for medical purposes. Okuhuni optician. Now, okay ruling now, court no it's here the arguments of lawyers of Honorable Hanan, Honorable Godfrey Dame. Nenti assessor court no ema ne ho kwan ma ne tu kwan every Ghana kopiem wo UK. Omutie omuwie ye no. Ana omu senti state opposing argument from the state and state it was represented by the current Deputy Attorney General, Srem Saya will make it that Facebook post. Omo argue say court should not allow Honorable Hanan to travel from Ghana to UK. Omo can no betimi bia. At the end of the day, court no add in the ruling by. Now in court no ruling or admit yes Honorable Hanan wo ho kwan so otu kwan ekọ Ghana. It's part of the fundamental human right of movement. And I feel so he has the right to secure medical treatment or any jurisdiction into Oma ne ho kwan. Now, maybe read that part of a year court or a ruling by no. Send ye mube hu adren bone I say NDC for yitrim. So we shall ruling now. Paragraph 3. I say it is hereby ordered that leave is granted applicant to travel to London for an appointment with his optician dated for 6th July 2026. So this is the ruling from the court that will grant permission to Honorable Hanan to travel from Ghana to UK. Send a medical appointment or work with the optician obetimi akwa to Huanamon. And court to sign kind SM or make sure so beba back to Ghana 12th of July 2026. Now IRS were 14th of July. Ne passport or the Asian Barber dying court or the Barber to court to Honum. Send a bear untimin to climb him without court permission. And see, and no credit. I say, Honorable Hanan, na Daniel Frigana, and no credit say he was trying to run away from the law. A quite no to know, and no credit and famra quem. In fact, he is not the only person. Court, Aman and Hokwine, Wabra prosecutor, Aman to Quine. Osha NDC big ways na oma bokro no ma billions of Ghana cedis no mujina mrano aye prosecute on several occasions under MPP government. They were allowed to travel out of the jurisdiction. Osha obi to say Collins Dauda na prosecuting over $200 million Saglami project omudi musika. On several occasions under MPP man ho kwan mani tu kwan ekwa abrochire ebae. Enyo ono nko a ohwe se edu agongo ono so na ono case na oka ho ye mane etu kwan kwa abrochire ebaye ohwe kwabna dufu a ono no aboga na krono billions of Ghana cedis ono so ye mane etu kwan kwa abrochire ebaye enyo ono nko a former CEO of Cocoa Board and Mills Mahama no mo so ye prosecute ono so ye mane call abrochire ekwaje ayarehwe on several occasions ebaye so enyo Honorable Abdul Wahan Hanan pe ana saa emra we watu hu ana monwa aboa no ama wo betu kwan akọ abrochire akwaje ayarehwe so saa asem ne yembongu ayentro now yenko second false statement this Deputy Attorney General make ye on a Facebook page post mu say Honorable Hanan try say oma freezing account or try so obey redraw sika free ne account oma freeze mu now Honorable Godfrey Dame explain say enya no crem. There is nothing like that. There is no evidence. Ebetimi pointed to that flimsy allegation omu making. In fact, what you say, omu freezing account to be anywhere omu freezing. Na entire muni tediye. Moba kaya omu ti Honorable Hanan ene ne yire. and then they got to police custody. We no more arraigning before court. Now on 5th May this year, 2026, and no withdraw charges against him. Charges against him, withdraw ye. I say prosecute on those charges again. And muja na man call ye. On 15th May, and almost sign no. And the new charges born. The new charges born. Now, Tihayi, very important. On 20th May, Anna, Attorney General, former Attorney General, Godfrey Dami or no lawyer for Honorable Hanan. Eddie Assembly Court in court. I said, accounts are no more frizzy in the previous case in our marriage draw. No. As I say, Omujano, no Jessica woman, no dimu juma. Na court need the ruling by court na high court to wa denta. Nipa or tena so justice or say, or tena assassin wiso. Or the ruling by say, freezing and no more freezing account then the asset in no. A moot. A null and void. Because some already draw former charges no. And if former charges no more draw any so new case or more the abano. There has been a fresh start of the case. It is almost person who freezing account that they need to go through a new legal procedure to freeze his account again. And see, many workers saying almost for any processes beyond court to be a new process beyond court say almost person who freezing account to be. Many workers say no, there is no freeze on his account. And the NDC aban Godfrey Dami I challenge you almost say almost for evidence and bra say Honorable Hanan almost freezing the account. No one sign for evidence and bra says our account no more freezy no. Or try so be empty that account to run away from Ghana. Up to now, omunti mean for evidence beyond by. Ebusia, this is how our NDC are buying. Bro. I dem boni a wo mutrim. How our omu abuse state power. How our omu tete and crofo fan who do so. People who are entitled to medical attention, medical treatment. Based on almost fundamental human rights of access to medical services. And Krofua, they are entitled to move freely in Ghana. Court to be in jail, court to be in confine to the jurisdiction of Ghana. How will take your fan who do so? This is very sad, but the end be somewhere catching this if one and the same. The day of reckoning looms. At that NDC Beko opposition in 2029, we will do worse to them and they will have no mouth to talk.